Yo, what's up everyone, it's MD, and welcome back to the channel. Now, we all know the tech world is booming, right? But what if I told you that you don't need to be a coding wizard to land an awesome tech job? That's right, in this video we're breaking down the top 5 IT jobs that don't require you to be fluent in Python or best friends with JavaScript. We're talking real career paths, in high demand, all without that coding pressure. So, if you're ready to ditch the coding bootcamp and still score a sweet gig in tech, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Alright, first up, we've got the heroes of every office, especially when the Wi-Fi is down, IT support specialists. Think of these guys as the first line of defense against tech troubles. They're the ones you call when your computer throws a tantrum, the printer decides to go on strike, or you just can't figure out how to use that new software. Now you might think you need to be some kind of code whisperer for this, but trust me, you don't. What you really need is patience, problem-solving skills, and a knack for explaining things clearly to people who might not be as tech-savvy. You'll be troubleshooting software issues, setting up hardware, and basically making sure everyone's tech is running smoothly. It's all about understanding how things work, not necessarily building them from scratch. Plus, every company needs IT support, so job security, definitely a check in that box. Next up, we're talking about the data detectives, the insight hunters, the ones who can find a needle in a haystack of spreadsheets, data analysts. These are the folks who take raw data, those endless rows and columns of numbers, and turn them into something meaningful. They use their skills to spot trends, identify patterns, and help businesses make smarter decisions. Now, you might be thinking, data? Isn't that like all about coding? And yeah, some programming knowledge can be helpful, but it's not a deal breaker for entry-level roles. What's more important is having a strong analytical mind, being detail-oriented, like really detail-oriented, and knowing how to use data visualization tools. Think spreadsheets on steroids, stuff like Excel, Tableau, Power BI. These are your weapons of choice. You're not writing the code, you're using it to unlock the stories hidden in the data. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes tech documentation can feel like it was written in a foreign language. That's where our next non-coding heroes come in. Technical writers. These are the wordsmiths of the tech world, the ones who take complex technical information and translate it into clear, concise, and easy-to-understand language. They're the bridge between the tech geniuses who build the stuff and the rest of us who actually use it. Now you might be thinking, writing about tech? Don't I need to be a tech expert? And yeah, having some technical knowledge definitely helps, but it's not about knowing how to code. It's about being able to break down complex concepts, organize information logically, and present it in a way that even your grandma could understand. We're talking manuals, user guides, online help articles. If it explains how tech works, a technical writer probably had a hand in it. Alright, let's talk about the digital guardians, the ones who keep our data safe from cyber villains, cybersecurity analysts. These are the folks who protect our online world from hackers, viruses, and all sorts of digital threats. They monitor systems, investigate security breaches, and implement security measures to keep our data locked down tight. Now you might be thinking, cybersecurity, isn't that like super high-tech, coding-intensive stuff? And yeah, there are definitely coding aspects to cybersecurity, but you don't need to be a coding ninja to get started. What's more important is having a strong understanding of security principles, being able to think like a hacker, the ethical kind of course, and knowing how to use security tools and software. We're talking firewalls, intrusion detection systems, security information and event management tools. These are your shields and swords in the digital realm. Last but not least, we have the conductors of the tech orchestra, the ones who keep everything on track and on budget. IT project managers. These are the folks who oversee IT projects from start to finish, making sure they're delivered on time, within scope, and without breaking the bank. They're the masterminds behind the scenes, coordinating teams, managing resources, and keeping everyone on the same page. Now you might be thinking, project management? That's not really a tech job, is it? And yeah, project management skills are transferable across industries, but in the tech world, understanding the ins and outs of technology is crucial. You don't need to code, but need more tech knowledge in this, but you need to understand the language of tech, the challenges, the timelines, the whole shebang. Your job is to keep the project moving, to be the glue that holds everything together. So there you have it. 5 killer IT jobs that don't require you to be a coding whiz. The tech world is vast and constantly evolving, and there's a place for everyone, coder or not. Remember, the most important thing is to find something you're passionate about, something you're good at, and something that aligns with your career goals. If you're ready to break into the exciting world of tech, don't let the lack of coding skills hold you back. Do your research, explore your options, and start building your dream tech career today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more tech career tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.